Discover the ultimate foodie adventure in Atlanta's sweet Auburn Curb Market. Indulge your taste buds with our historic market food tour and biscuit making class. This is a mouth-watering journey through the city's bustling sweet Auburn Curb Market. Come join us for this 2-hour walking tour and hands-on cooking class. For delicious bites from local vendors, enough for lunch. This is both savory and sweet bites. All the while, you'll get to uncover the rich histories and the stories behind each dish in this almost 100-year-old market. You'll also get to roll up your sleeves and experience the joy of creating flaky, melt-in-your-mouth Southern biscuits from scratch. You'll get to walk away calling yourself a true Southern cook. Taste Atlanta like never before. Join our experience guide on the historic market food tour and biscuit making class. A memorable blend of food, history, and fun right here in Atlanta. Book your historic market food tour and biscuit making class today at unexpectedatlanta.com.